Hey, what's up? So one of the great things about the Neat board is its mobility, and so we're able to move it around from space to space, room to room, and set it up very quickly by simply disconnecting and then reconnecting to power. Check it out. Right behind the Neat board, there's this cool little cable management system that allows you to wrap the cable for easy and safe transport. And it's so simple to move. Only one person can do it, but it's recommended that 2 people do it. Check it out. Alright, so there's a quick little demonstration of how simple it is to move the Neat board around, disconnect it, reconnect it, and then it goes right back to how you need it, and you can start meetings or whiteboard sessions. Alright, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and follow me on LinkedIn. Thanks.